Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you guys how I created this design using this water decals by BeautyBigBang, and also will give a review on it. So keep on watching. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel because I upload new nail art video every week, and also it is free, so hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So I've already used few of these water decals in two of my videos and I will show that in a minute, but before that let me give a brief description about this company BeautyBigBang. So BeautyBigBang is an online website which sells nail art products along with makeup products. The best part of this website is that it gives free international shipping with no minimum order. So I've put the link of this website in the description box, so if you guys are interested then you can check it out. And if you buy anything from the website, then make sure you use my code AURA10 to get 10% off on all the products. Coming to the water decals, this set contains total 50 water decals and its code name is J6366. The link of this product is in the description box. If you guys are interested, then you can check it out. 90% of these water decals are floral, that is flower, and rest are butterflies, some valentines and feathers like that. So among these 50 water decals, I've used this water decal named A237 to create this design which I did for the Rose Day special. The link of this video will be in the description box, so make sure you watch it if you haven't watched it yet, or you can just click the I button to watch it. The next water decals which I used is this one, A290 and also A543. I used both of these water decals to create this design. I've also done some freehand design and stamping in this design, but I've used these water decals for this promising part because all these letters were kind of romantic type, so I've used all these things. So link of that video will be also in the description box, or click the I button. So now let's start the tutorial. First of all, I've applied one coat of this orange nail polish and it is already dry. Now I'm going to use this orange nail polish along with this neon green nail polish to create some blobbicure or color drop, which I say. I've also done a video on color drop nail art, which was my first ever tutorial video in this channel. I won't recommend you guys to watch that because the picture quality was too bad, but still if you guys are interested you can check it, link will be in the description box. So I'm applying thick coat of this orange nail polish on my index finger, and using a dotting tool I'm taking the neon green polish and making some dots. Now because of the fact the orange nail polish is wet, the green nail polish will spread and will form a blob, which is called as blobbicure nail art. If you feel like the base color is dry, then apply little bit more orange nail polish and then apply the green nail polish, because if the base will be dry, then the green nail polish will not spread and it won't look good. It will look like dots, not like these blobs. Now for my middle two fingers, I'm first applying the orange nail polish. Then using a striping brush, which is kind of dirty, so please ignore that, I'm making some stripes and also some dots. Now once the base is dry, I've used 3 water decals to create this design. So the water decals are A359, A235 and A210. Now I've cut the portion of the water decal which I want, and now I'm putting it over a wet tissue paper. Make sure you remove the plastic wrap over the water decals before putting it over the wet cotton ball or tissue paper. The best part of this product is that there are total 50 water decals, so you can create any kind of design. You can just take any one water decal and use it for a design, or you can just take 2 or 3 water decals at a time and create a design just like I'm doing right now. In the Rose Day video, I just used 1 water decals to create the design. In the Promise Day video, I used 2 water decals, and today I'm using 3. You can use more than 2, 3, anything you want, or you can use just water decals and do some stamping just like the Promise Day design I do. So this is the best part of this product, that you get 50 water decals, so you have so many designs to create. So I will recommend you guys to buy this product because it is nice and you can create so many designs using these 50 water decals. Now once I complete applying the water decal, I am applying a top coat to seal the water decals, and this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys like it, and if so, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also check out the 2 videos which I mentioned. Link will be in the description box, or just click the I button to check it. And if you guys buy anything from the website BeautyBigBang, then don't forget to use my code AURA10 to get 10% off. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.